patch of my favorite.
Welcome to LT Outdoors.
All them little teeth. They look a lot like
The channel with everything the outdoor world has to offer.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna shut my light off. This is a beauty.
Sun is coming up, vibe is going down. Fish are all biting, jumping all around. Let's hook up the boat, come on, let's go. It's time for LT Outdoors. I'm talking.
Oh, that's a nice one, sis.
LT Outdoors. Might go hunt, fishing, metal detecting. Might even do a little fortune too. I'm talking.
Or sweet tooth.
LT Outdoors.
Oh yeah, baby.
I hope you enjoy the show.
Oh, that's so cool.
Special shout out to all my patrons and everybody who donates to this channel. If you want to become a patron, go to patreon.com, look up LT Outdoors. Every month I'll be doing a drawing giveaway for everybody who donates to this channel. No matter how you donate, you'll be added to the list. Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of LT Outdoors. Today, I'm in the ice shanty. Actually day 2 in the ice shanty. Yesterday was really slow. I was out after some steelhead. I'll show you a quick clip from yesterday. I lost a big brook trout, so I hope you enjoy that. But today I'm out after some panfish. Got one coming in right now. So I'm going to have to let you go. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know what you think. Got it. Got it. That looks like a brook trout. That looks like a big brookie.
Oh, it is. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I wasn't filming. I just caught a decent pumpkin seed here on this Wonder Bread colored forage minnow jig. Out here hole hopping, trying to find some better fish. Ooh, that was a decent hit. Yeah, there we go. That's more like it. That's a decent sunfish right there. Nice. Ooh, that feels like a good fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's exactly what I want. Might have to move my shanty over here. Yep, I'm gonna move the shanty. I'm not keeping that one. That's a little small for a gill, but it's bigger than what I was getting over there. Crappie. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh my God. Get a load of that, folks. That is a freaking monster. Holy cow. Yeah, baby. Oh, he didn't have it. He might come back. He got a good taste of it. Yep. Got it that time. That's a nice skill. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That is what I like. That is what I like right there, folks. Look at the size of that. That's an eater. That's a big gill. It's on that Wonder Bread Northland Forage minnow jig. Here comes another big crappie. Got it. Got it. Oh my God, that's even bigger. That's even bigger. That, oh man. That is a complete giant right there, folks. Look at that thing. Oh my God. I gotta get a picture of this one. This is nuts. Hey. It's not bad. I'll take it. Definitely ain't small. Oh, that's a big gill. That's a big. Oh, that's a monster. Look at that. Look at that. He didn't even think twice. Oh, there we go. Oh, a little on the small side. I'm gonna throw that one back. Came in quick though. I always like to get my lure back down there before I throw them back in shallower water, because sometimes they'll spook the fish, but if you've got a bait down there, sometimes it'll keep them calm. There's a big. Oh. Got it. Oh, come on, baby. Oh my God. Oh, this thing is huge. Oh man, I can barely get my hand around this thing. Oh, that thing smoked it. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Add that to the pile. Oh, that's a big gill. That's a big gill. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Just beautiful. They love these things, man. Oh, that's okay. You should come back. You should come back. Big crappie coming from the back. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Got it. Oh my God, it's another giant. Oh, that might be bigger. That is bigger. Holy crap. There we go. Yeah. Little pumpkin seed. I'm gonna throw that one back. Get bigger. They get big in here. That's a big one. Big bluegill. There we go. There we go. God. Another giant on a bear hook. Look at that. Another sunfish. Oh, he swallowed that plastic. Oh, God. There's a bigger one though. That's the one I want. Oh no, take it. Ooh. Oh my God. Big sunfish. Oh. Come on back, baby. That thing's a tank. that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh my God. That might even be bigger than my biggest. Oh my God. How unreal. How unreal. Got it. Oh, that's a big one. Oh. Oh my God. These are a bunch of 10-inch fish. This is just crazy. There we go. Nice. Oh, that's a giant. There we go. Oh, that is just crazy. Big sunfish. It's number 20. 5 to go. Well, folks, there you have it. Got a beautiful mess tonight. Good first day out for the panfish. Next day, let's head to another lake. You still have time to get in, so make sure you enter for some ice fishing fun. The leaderboard right now is stacked up pretty good. We got rainbow trout. Aaron Koski from South Dakota is leading with 18 3/4-inch rainbow. We got bluegill. Josh Stanley from Michigan has a 9.5, and Les Brown has a perch from Michigan, 8 3/4. Want to know where you can get your LT Outdoors ice fishing tackle? Check out these tackle shops and make sure you see what they got in stock. Don't miss out on the whole line of LT Outdoors ice fishing lures. Increase your ice fishing experience. Also, check out the Panty Pounder. Email me for more info. This season of LT Outdoors is brought to you by Bass Brothers Lures and Baits. All their lures and baits get the job done. Wellman's Bait and Tackle in Oscoda, Michigan. By the bridge in Oscoda, they carry a nice line of LT merch. Mountable Memories Taxidermy. Mounts that'll last a lifetime.
Now we done feeling our feelings, because I'd like to get out of this room before we both start growing lady parts.